Hi, welcome to Everyone Can Jam. This is a place where everyone can learn to play music. I specialize in planning instruction for adult beginners and people who have run into some kind of stumbling block. And sometimes the solution is very simple. So I hope you will come on over to the new channel, Janet Brockman. At the end of this video, I'm going to leave you a little box where you can click to, that will take you to the new channel, and you can watch a video there about how to make your fingers reach chord shapes. This one focuses on principles that will apply to any new chord shape you make. There's some things you can do, such as starting out with a straight wrist. We don't want to start out like that, and we keep our hands relaxed until we find the shape. We don't squeeze right away because it's hard to move your fingers when you're already squeezing. So for more about this and other things that will help you learn your chord shapes, here's the box, and you can sign up for my email list at www.everyonecanjam.com because I put things there that I won't put anywhere else. See you soon.